Hey everyone, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to make this origami wallet. This version has two compartments where you can keep cards or IDs. It also has a larger compartment at the back where you can keep cash or other small items. The best part is that it's made from a single sheet of paper with no glue or scissors. For this video, I'm going to use a sheet of brown A4 paper, but letter size paper works as well. First, we need to fold the paper in half. Next, rotate the paper and fold the bottom side to the top. So just bring the bottom edge up to the top edge like this and crease the fold. Turn the paper over Now we can fold the other half using the previous fold as a guide. You can fold exactly along the fold or slightly above it. This will make it easier to close the wallet later. Now unfold this section and bring the bottom edge up to the crease we just made. Fold it back up along the existing line, and you should now have this result. Unfold the first fold we made, leaving the paper open like this. Now, fold a small section on each side, a little more than 1 centimeter or about half an inch. Let's fold first the right side. Then we fold the left side as well. Now, pay close attention. We need to open the first layer on left side and fold this corner. Then close the layer again and repeat the same process on the right side. Open the first layer, fold the corner, and close it again. Close the paper again along the line in the center. Now pay close attention again. Starting on the left side, we need to put this front layer into this pocket. Do the same thing on the right side. Now just bring the two sides together. Then tuck the left side into the right side. And the origami wallet is ready! As I said at the beginning, You can keep cash inside this larger compartment and cards or IDs in the compartments at the front. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.